Welcome to our Adobe Illustrator tutorial on vector graphics. Today, we're going to look at spiral effects and how to make them quickly. Step 1. Draw a circle and make the line thickness at your discretion. Let the color be black. In the stroke panel, select the following element from the profile list. Of course, you can try other elements as well. On the Appearance tab, select Transform from the Effects menu. After several attempts, I picked up the following parameters. You can change them, and the result will certainly be different. As in this example, let's change the number of copies. Now let's apply the Expand appearance to this object. Let's ungroup it and apply a gradient. I chose Radial. I accidentally applied it to the stroke. Now you can adjust the gradient for each element individually or for all of them together. Let's group them and make a background. The background will inherit the settings of our gradient, so let's change the color on the Swatches tab. Send it under the object in the Object menu, Arrange, Send to Back. Change the blending mode to Screen. If you choose the background color, the result will not be long in coming. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks to sharpen your vector graphics skills. Let's create Brilliance together.